Whether it's for the controversy or the enjoyment of the book, Fourth Wing has certainly raised a lot of questions in the Gaelic-speaking world. So let's go over some of the names the correct way. Amashad, which means weather. Indarne Urim, which is the second honour. Itram, which is lightweight. Baskia, which is like death and wing. So, death wing. Briagan, which are lies. J is ice. Full is blood. Mashe is like beauty. Marav is dead. Solace is light. Tarnanach or Tarn is thunder. And what else is there? Chine, which is fire. Horsht, which is to give. And I know there are other words. Please let me know what other words from the Fourth Wing series that you would like to hear pronunciation for.